Hi, I'm Joel with North Country Vans and welcome back to another build video. So today we're going to install a window on our sliding door. And just a couple notes on prep. One thing that you want to make sure you do is you want to protect your paint below that opening. Because as you get those hot metal shavings coming off, they can get down and damage the clear coat and you'll get little pinholes of rust that poke through. So if you put a piece of cardboard, tape it off so it's nice and sealed up, you'll help reduce that. So let's get in the van and start drilling some holes. So now we're ready to start cutting. And what we've done is we've taken a shoe off the jigsaw, so that way if I miss or I hit something, I'm not going to gouge the side of this and scrape up that metal. And we're using a thin metal blade, and we will just cut along the factory stamping until we get to this portion up here where we'll have to cut through that cross member and get that window to fit into that opening. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Here she comes. Here's 3. There you go. Welcome. Do I look pretty?
Very pretty.
Are you recording?
I am.
So now that we have a big hole in the side of the van, we have to go through and file the edge of the sheet metal and get all of the burrs off of it. So with this raw sheet metal here, we want to paint it so we prevent any rust. And it's kind of a tedious process. You want to make sure that you get anywhere that you might have chipped it and any of the cuts. And we'll put a couple coats on, and that'll be prepped for the install. If I'm honest, this is the thing I hate most about doing these vans is cutting windows in, because unlike wood where if you screw it up you can just redo it, once you hack a hole in the side of one of these things, there's no going back.
Very, very true.
Yeah, you just gotta do it.
After that first hole, that's the point of no return.
Yup.
That's why you measure 4 times and cut once. Screw twice. 4 times. Especially when it's not your own.
Yeah. No joke there. I'll tell you that it took me a minute to work up the courage with that new Sprinter.
Yeah?
Where it had like 2,000 miles on it, brand new off the factory floor. Had everything taped out, ready to go, measured, 18 times or whatever, and
cutting 2 very large holes.
It took me a minute to work up the courage just to drill that first drill, because once you do that, then I guess you could still get a body guy to weld it and
right,
make it right, but still.
Still. I like it when people bring their Jeeps over and they put these big tires on and say, hey, I need clearance. I grab a Sawzall and watch your eyes get big.
Have you done that?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so now that we've got the edge painted, we're ready to install the window. So I have a helper, my lovely fiance, Shannon. Say hi, Shannon. Hi, Shannon. And we're going to get this in.
Alright, so this wraps up our window install for today. As you can see, we've installed an awning style window, which means this portion right here pops out so that we can have ventilation even when it's raining with a screened window behind it. Now this happens to be a CR Lawrence window. We purchase all of our windows from vanwindowsdirect.com, have had a great experience and highly recommend you guys check them out. Until next time, this is Shannon, Joel, and Link with North Country Vans, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon.
Bye.